Here's the deal. I'm trying to get set up. Big buck right down below me, about 80 yards. He's hanging with these does. I can't see him right now. He kind of bedded over in these pines. He bedded back there. Deer was here earlier this morning. It's 20 after 3. I'm trying to get set up. I got the camera halfway set up. Big buck. Yes, he left the doe. Kind of intense moment trying to get set up, get situated, get the cameras out. I can kind of see him every now and then over there, just bedded. So, hang tight. We're going to see if he comes in. We're live. It's going down right here. Let's go. $45-yard shot. Right there. Let's see if we can pull this one off. Nice. Very nice. He was not going to this boat race. This is what I might get a good shot. Take it. So that's the unequivocal. Pretty close. Oh my gosh. Don't know why I was shooting 35. Don't know why. But I did. 30 yards, not 35, Barry. Oh my God. The deer don't really know what happened. The deer don't know what happened. practice that shot a million times. I can make that shot a million times. And I should have knew that stump was 35 yards. He was on this side of this. And I shot 35 yards. And it went over his back this much. I think that one is better than been better than what I'm thinking. Possibly may come back right at dark. We'll see. That's bow hunting. So let me give you the scoop. I literally plumb up in the stand was pulling my bow when I saw this buck 80 yards. 80 yards of me. They came in working their ways in. And I shot over them. I didn't even get to set up good, other than I just threw the. Will he come back? I don't know. Time will tell. We'll sit here all evening. So stay tuned. Strike one, baby. And I can't see. Just a tad back. We got him. Hit him a little far back. We'll give that deer plenty of time. Plenty of time. Hey, I hope y'all can see this. Alright guys, here's the scoop. Man, he was hard to get on. He kept going back and forth, 20 yards, 25 yards. I pulled that 20-yard pin this time because we're at such an angle. It hit him far back, but he was turned quartered again, very similar to the other deer that I shot. I know it's far back, but they ran right down here and just kind of settled down. I'm going to sit here a little bit. We got rain in the forecast is the problem. We've got rain starting tonight. And it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. So, I want to give it a little time. I know it's getting dark. I got a doe under me right now. So, they're kind of relaxed. They're kind of calmed down. They're not really spooked. But we did hit the deer, hit him far back. It was a quarter and away shot again. Kind of back. Angled up through him. So, I feel like it's still a fatal shot. But we want to give time. I hope y'all can see all that on film. So, y'all stay tuned. We'll find out. Well, it is 20 after 10 and we got rain coming in. We've done been over there looking, found a ton of blood, and we kind of run out. So just got the word we got a dog coming, trying to beat the rain, trying to get him before it all gets here. Y'all stay tuned. See if we'll get him.
Jordan. Okay. Good.
Well, boys, the next day, we had a ton of rain last night. Last spot of blood, we're back at it. And I mean, we had quite a bit of blood here, but now it's kind of washed out. So we're just gonna body search, I guess, for the, see what we can come up with. It's gonna be a long shot. Fingers crossed, legs crossed. Hopefully we find it. Stay tuned. Well, no such luck, guys. We made a hard effort last night, all night till about midnight, and the rain didn't help us any at all. Found a lot of blood, ton of blood, a lot more blood than what we found on the other deer. But we came up short. That's a depressing day. Rainy, dreary day, but it is part of hunting. You know, and a lot of people say, oh, that's bow hunting, you're gonna do this and that, and you should use a gun. I've had just the same luck with a gun. So chance you take bow hunting, I enjoy it. We're gonna keep pecking at it. We're gonna make it happen. Y'all probably have a video coming up, I'm sure. Unfortunately, we wasn't able to put our hands on him. So y'all keep watching, like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll make it happen again here soon. Stay tuned.